Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's crucial for anyone serious about strength training. The secrets to building power and increasing strength in your workouts. Whether you're looking to lift heavier weights, improve your athletic performance, or just feel stronger in your daily life, these tips will help you unlock your full potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy to boost your strength effectively and safely. Let's dive in. One of the most important principles in strength training is progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the stress placed on your muscles over time. Your body adapts to the demands you place on it, so if you're lifting the same weights or doing the same number of reps every week, your progress will plateau. To break through, aim to add small amounts of weight to your lifts, increase your reps, or reduce your rest times between sets. Even minor adjustments can lead to significant strength gains over time. Focusing on compound movements is essential for building strength. These exercises, such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups, engage multiple muscle groups and allow you to lift heavier weights. Not only do they improve overall strength, but they also enhance coordination and stability. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and prioritize them over isolation movements like bicep curls or leg extensions. Another critical element is periodization, which is a strategic way of planning your workouts to continually challenge your body and prevent plateaus. Divide your training into phases, each with a specific goal. For example, start with a hypertrophy phase where you focus on building muscle mass using moderate weights and higher reps, usually 8 to 12 per set, for 4 to 6 weeks. Then move into a strength phase where you use heavier weights and lower reps, typically 4 to 6 per set, to develop raw power. Finally, include a deload phase every few weeks to allow your body to recover and adapt fully. This cyclical approach ensures consistent progress while minimizing the risk of overtraining. To maximize your strength gains, it's also important to focus on proper form. Lifting heavier weights is exciting, but sacrificing form for the sake of adding more weight can lead to injuries and limit your progress. Take the time to learn and practice the correct techniques for each exercise. If you're unsure, consider working with a trainer or watching detailed tutorials. A strong foundation of proper movement patterns will help you lift heavier and safer. Nutrition is another vital component of strength building. To grow stronger, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Ensure you're eating enough protein, as it's the building block for muscle repair and growth. Aim for at least 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, coming from sources like lean meats, eggs, fish, beans, and dairy. Additionally, include complex carbohydrates like whole grains and sweet potatoes to provide the energy needed for intense workouts. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are also important for hormone production, including testosterone, which plays a key role in muscle building. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. Your muscles grow and get stronger during rest, not while you're lifting weights. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is when your body repairs itself. Incorporate active recovery days with light activities like walking or yoga to keep your body moving without overloading it. Stretching and foam rolling can also help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility, making your next workout more effective. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of mental focus and consistency. Strength training requires discipline and patience. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve, whether it's lifting a certain amount of weight or improving your overall fitness. Track your progress in a journal or an app to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Remember, strength doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent effort over time. Celebrate small victories along the way and stay committed to your plan. To sum it up, building strength requires a combination of progressive overload, compound movements, strategic periodization, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery. By incorporating these elements into your routine, you'll not only lift heavier, but also feel stronger and more confident in every aspect of your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and strategies. And let me know in the comments, what's your ultimate strength goal? I'd love to hear from you. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.